Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813812, and today we have a 2014 Subaru BRZ Coupe, stock reference number 4785. This shape runs from the 7th month 2012 through to the 7th month 2016. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, front STI lip spoiler, sold with side skirts as a set. Left front 17-inch STI alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory STI alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand rear 17-inch STI alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side skirt, sold as a pair with the front lip spoiler. Right guard appears has two small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right front 17-inch STI alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with paddle shift and cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.